Hey, YouTube. It is currently about 1:30 in the afternoon, Christmas Day, December 25th, 2012. It is snowing, 37 degrees and dropping. Winds are picking up. We got our windstorm arriving. Progress right now as it is. Snowflakes are picking up. It's getting a little bit heavier. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here, but it's there. White Christmas in Texas. First snowfall of the year, right at Christmas Day. That wind's getting sharp. We had thunderstorms this morning. Got a couple of falls of pea-sized hail. It's pretty neat. But I'll tell you what, this system is very dynamic. I'm just waking up, so I don't know if I sound right. But I'm gonna take some more pictures, and this is what it looks like so far. It's the start of it. It's supposed to go all afternoon and throughout the evening, so we'll update this later.